Always remember that after today, we're done with our MSTP2. And with that, palakpakan niyo ang inyong mga sarili. Ayan. So, syempre, I would like to commend the effort of your class. And very good as well, because you are wearing your NSTP shirt. And for those who don't have yet their shirt, you are wearing the white shirt. No? Parang hindi masyadong pangit.
Today signifies an important milestone in our collective journey to empower young minds and build brighter future for our communities. This community outreach program is not just a simple event.
A beautiful day. As we begin our community immersion, we ask your presence to be with us, guide our thoughts, our words, and our action, so that everything we do may bring love, kindness, and hope to others. Please give us strength and energy we need for the day. Help us to be patient, understanding,